Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Trips from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and I get started with Sandstone for his coat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You'll also join Discord using the link in the description where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his jeans base coated with marine blue. For all of the exposed skin, I went with sunny skin tone. He is holding a stick of dynamite, which I grabbed Evil Eye Red and gave it a once over. Getting his boots, belt and hat done now, I went with Druid Flesh as the base colour. As with all my current Zombicide minis, the base and his hair get a once over with Plague Brown. For his shirt, eyes and the smoke on the fuse, I used Rock Grey. Getting started on the highlights now, I grabbed Cork Brown and brought up all of the raised folds and the larger flat areas on his coat. pushing the jeans to be even more blue, I used Witching Hour Blue, brought up the majority of them, just leaving that darker tone in the shadows. Dotting in his eyes and adding a highlight to the leather parts, I used the Wasteland Brown. Adding a highlight to the shirt now, I went with Grimy Grey. Getting all the metal parts done, I grabbed the gun metal and gave them a once over. Moving on to the wash now, I went with an all over wash of Archaic Sepia wash, making sure to pick up any parts that pull too much. Finishing off, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for trips. I think the jeans might be a little bit too blue compared to the artwork, but they're not so blue that they look out of place at least. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.